Hey guys, I had some bad news. The old pit boss here went to go to grill some chicken tonight. I can't get the auger to turn. I don't know what's going on. It looks like there might be something deeper wrong inside here, so I decided to try to do a little video for you. All I want to do is drink an ice cold Bud Light. Well, not 3 deep into it now. You know how it goes. And I'm supposed to cook tonight. So we gotta get this thing fixed. I already took the bottom pan off. It looks like there's something going on with the motor in there. I don't know. I've never had it apart, but we gotta get going here. Tear it down quickly. I drained all the pellets out and we'll get it torn apart here. There's probably about 10 screws on the bottom here. I can't believe that they wouldn't have an accessible door here on the back side. But we'll see. Maybe I'll destroy it. See what everything looks like here. Alright. Oh man. Are you kidding me? Okay. Make sure you got something to sit this on. What in the world? Okay. That's kind of a cheesy design. Man. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this backwards, hopefully, and loosen the torque up on it. There must be something jammed in there pretty good. Yeah, it looks like I'm going the wrong way. My bad. I'm in kind of a hurry here. Don't look like they really got a good mount for this thing. Goodness. All this does is just kind of bounce. You can see it's wore right there. Yeah, they did a good job on everything else. Why wouldn't they do a real mount? I think I'm gonna make a good mount for it and do it right. I think we're just gonna pull that whole auger out. You can see here, get you zoomed in. Okay. Yeah, I'm not using our 8 wrenches for the job, but we gotta get her going. I don't have time right now. Vice grip, it'll work. Okay. It looks like we gotta take a collar out of here. Bushing or some sort. Don't look like nothing. Looks like she's all in good shape. It just either, and I always shut it down right. We're gonna run this in though. Auger. Okay, we're all the way through. All right. Looks like we'll be staying today. Well, I guess I'm not gonna blame anyone, but it looks like we need to build a better little bracket for this. I can't believe they did such a cheesy little thing like that. But I guess for 500 bucks, what do you expect? If I spend that, I guess I can work on it once in a while. I'm not paying no $1,500 for a fancy one that's gonna do the same darn thing. So we line that back up and we'll be in business. That's just a little bitty guy. Really surprised it didn't shear it. It's got a locking collar on anyhow. I am gonna fix that. That is ridiculous. We're gonna make some irons up here, lock it in, so she ain't gonna move, but let's try it out quick. Wow. Get the prime here. So that's what that thing's doing the whole time. I know it's not supposed to take much to move the auger, but man, we're gonna make that better. Gonna clean this all up, put it back together, cook some chicken. And of course, I don't think I'm the only one that takes that tray out of here. I mean, if you're that stupid to put your fingers in there, well, I don't know what to tell you. Probably shouldn't be barbecuing. Just saying. Just gonna put a little bit in there. One thing is this Pit Boss has got that clean out feature in the back, which is very nice. But anyway, I'm gonna give this an opportunity to let you guys watch it fire up here. Take this out. And I just had this running the other night. I burned maybe 2 50-pound bags, and I actually inspected this here not too long ago. There was very little ash in there, kind of like what you got here, so it does a pretty good job. Curious what would have got stuck in there, but I suppose I always keep this thing inside. I suppose maybe the pellets swelled up or something, got a little moisture in, or I don't know. I suppose maybe there was some foreign material in there. I tried not to put all the old pellets back in there because whatever was in there, I don't want it to do it again. Sounds like it's working pretty good now. Takes just a little while to get them pellets to the end. Put this back in there before it gets too hot. I've noticed I should put a washer on this, because when I move it around the shop it seems like this bounces up and then kind of slides over. So these should have maybe a washer on. Okay, all I did is there's a little dollied out right there. so you can take this off real easy, but I don't really agree with that, I guess. But I just hammered that out. The bolt's too short to get a washer under there, so I just did that one, just in case it won't want to come out. There's just finally coming. Got her fixed. Okay guys, I put it all back together. It was working great, got up to 150, and then all of a sudden it must have found a strip gear. So I want to get my chickens done. So we're just gonna feed her manually. Get her going. I don't know if it's gonna let me run it without the fan going. But we're gonna go ahead and feed her. So it looks like there's a dead spot in here. It was just clicking. We're gonna take this all apart and see what's actually bad. But for now, I gotta babysit this. Look at that, we're up to 197 already. Don't take much. It'll be probably screaming here before you know it. All right, here we are. 300 degrees. Just guessing. And we got the chicken over. We're rolling. Well, it worked. Okay guys, we got this. A little motor here from the pit boss. We're gonna see how bad the gears are stripped out. Now I looked up the part number and it sounds like it's the same thing as the trigger, all your pellet grills. Oh, by the way, chicken was freaking phenomenal. Even though I had to do it manually, act like the motor. At the end, I really cranked it up with the, to kind of burn the pellets up that was in the auger. Don't do that. I had flames coming around the sides at the end after the chicken was done. I would not recommend overfeeding it. Not at all. Now, maybe I can't get this apart, but trust me, I will. You can see where it's rubbing there on their wonderful stop that they got. Oh, there it is. Doggone it. Couple teeth are missing right there. Don't know if you can see it. Right there. Alright, so right there's our issue. If I keep those gears going there, right there we got one that's screwed up, and that's what was going on. I was all good. Somehow I was able to get it to 150. Now keep in mind, these are all held in by the box, so they're wanting to roll out on me. I wish you could get the gears. That'd be an easy, cheap fix. Right there's another teeth missing. So that's our issue. So there goes. So I saw anywhere from $30 to $100 on there. if you buy it from Traeger, you're going to pay a lot. You type in that number here. Right there. That's what you want. You're going to pay a lot cheaper. It's too bad a guy couldn't just get that gear. I guess right here, that one's chewed up too. So evidently it can't take a lot. I'm actually surprised that these are steel gears. Really surprised about that normally. But see, it would get to that dead spot and then it'd all be over. At least they actually got some grease in there. Kind of disappointing, but coming down to it, you're better off probably stopping, taking it apart right away versus doing what I did. I just kept bumping it, thinking it would go, tapping it, but that screwed me. But anyway, we're going to get a new one of these ordered. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, let me know.